children, today we'll do an activity with the letter S. S says snake, snake, snake. S says sun, sun, sun. S says sunflower, sunflower, sunflower. So children, today we'll make a snake with the letter S. For this, I'll need some green paint, some glue, a few cutouts, a pair of googly eyes and its tongue. You know, the snake makes a hissing sound. It makes a sound like S. Make it with me. S. Yes. So let's begin. I'm going to dip my thumb into the paint and paint the snake. Parents, please assist your children while doing this activity. Your children will enjoy this activity thoroughly as it's a hands-on experience. Children, see, I've completed painting the letter S. Now, we'll stick its eyes. I'm going to take the googly eyes. I'm going to apply some glue and stick it over here. Now, we'll stick its tongue. And remember, what sound does the snake make? Hiss. Yes. The snake also has scales. So, we are going to stick these shapes on its body for its scales. You can stick the shapes in any way that you want. Parents, please assist your children while they do these activities. They will thoroughly enjoy these as these are hands-on experiences. See, I'm almost done with the snake. See children, we've completed making the snake with the letter S. I hope you've enjoyed. For materials like this and worksheets, please refer to the description box below. Thank you.
I hope you loved this real video by Real Educators. Please do subscribe to our channel